We're checking out some antique stores this afternoon. Oh yeah, Hot Wheels in there, huh? Mm-hmm. That Hot Wheels is $30. Mm-hmm.
What's this?
Oh, that's a game. A, B, C's. Get it? Like the C and C.
This has no L.
Oh yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, you found a Christmas booth, huh? That's a cute wood snowman. Only $25. It's pretty big too.
It's where Elizabeth got trapped on that time.
Oh yeah, Elizabeth Walton. Oh, that's pretty. Number 2.
Are they for sale or on sale?
Flat rocker.
On sale and for sale is two different things, folks.
Right.
Whenever things are on sale, that means it's like, we're getting that. When they're just selling it, it's like,
This is on sale. It used to be $30, now it's $24.
that's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. If you wanted a seat that went in a Freightliner, there you go.
Well, there you go, folks.
What is
In the world? Look at this.
Yeah, that's nice.
I love old-timey stuff. Right there. See that wood handle on that thing? I can see me cooking bacon on that.
Oh, this is pretty.
Folks, have y'all ever used one of these? $10. That thing's only $29. Yeah. Is it on sale or for sale?
It's only $10.
It's only that much money. I like this fisher rod.
Yeah.
I'm glad I can fit that. Look, Mama. It already has its own little tackle box.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey, look across at this.
Is it on sale or for sale? It is comfortable. They made stuff comfortable in these days. Now they don't want you comfortable. They don't want you at their house now. That's the thing. They made stuff comfortable back in the day because people wanted you to come by. Now they don't make it comfortable, so you will get up and leave.
This is a nice fisher rod.
Yeah, it is. Look, this thing's still here.
Oh yeah, you looked at that last time.
You know, I'm thinking about it. As soon as they put this on sale right here, I'm gonna buy this.
Number 3.
What do you think?
It looks good.
That's good. Is it on sale or for sale?
I don't know.
Something tells me this right here is
On sale.
on sale.
Yeah.
For some reason. Go
the
outside and
top.
cut the top off of a little small tree and stick it right
Yeah.
there, and then you got you something that nobody else has got.
Right.
Somebody come to your house and they be like, y'all got an artificial or a real? You say both.
Okay, thank you.
You see that tree right there?
Oh yeah, you found a tree too, huh?
Want to go there?
Yeah, we'll go look at it.
Look at that.
That is a
Now
pretty
that is
one.
nice.
Look at these snowmen look like they're skating and they flipped upside down. That's cute.
I really like that little Bible.
You do?
Are we going to go up into the upstairs now, Daddy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Looks nice up here.
Oh, he found the Christmas section.
Oh, here's a... Mama, are there any sizes for Jonah right here?
He wants to buy Johnny something. They on sale or for sale? Get me a fork. Kids would never eat off this one right
Oh
here.
no, they wouldn't. They
And I
wouldn't even
got
take
my
it out of
old
the drawer.
frying pan. I have my personal fork.
I do love sitting.
Yeah, Mama, we got that one for Sunday. Oh my goodness! A real guitar! Let's see if it's on sale.
And here we are, back at the park. We thought we'd come over here to Helen, see what's going on today, how busy it is.
I was thinking about going to get another vest.
Right. He's feeling like he needs to go get a blue
I
one.
need a blue one now.
It's really pretty here today. Uh-oh, your top's coming off. Hold it still. You got it? Okay, there you go.
It's better than Scooter.
Is it? Yeah, they have really good smoothies there. Copper kettle fudge. Oh, I smell popcorn, I think. I think I'm smelling popcorn. Yeah, it's flying around, huh? This is a new part of the candy store, I think.
Yeah, I think it is too.
Oh yeah, look, they have caramel corn. They got Grandma's cornbread mix up here, Southern Drop biscuits, peppered gravy, strawberry cobbler, blueberry peach, apple-licious, and blackberry cobbler.
If I can't end up coming up with a good cookie here before long, I'll just come up here
Go
and
with the
buy
mix.
this.
Yeah. Over there is what it always used to be, the Copper Kettle Fudge spot. And then they opened it up and moved all this in here. Because this wasn't here. We'll have to ask her.
We added this on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and we started doing freeze-dried stuff, popcorn. Just a new little adventure. We started doing like gummies and, you know, nostalgic candies. Just different stuff.
Yeah, it's
It
good.
fits right in with the fudge shop.
Right, yeah. And the popcorn's definitely bringing people in because you can smell it all the way up there on the right.
I'm pushing it out into the alley with the fan.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just finished doing the caramel, so that really like the carrot when it's cooking.
Let's try one of those.
It's
with
so
caramel.
good,
Okay.
yeah. And we just redid, upstairs was our storage. Now it's 2 Airbnbs.
Oh, okay.
Bavarian Hideaway.
Bavarian Hideaway. Okay. All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Really good.
Now we just need somebody to add on a corn dog shop. If you come straight back through this alley, you end up at Wildwood. Steve Urkel would have really liked this place, you know. Alpine Vibes, this is the Christmas store here. Hey, Mr. Grinch. Oh, I like that t-shirt.
I knew you would, baby.
They got a lot of Grinch Christmas cups. Oh, do they have sassafras? Hey, they have pumpkin spice ice cream at the snack shack.
Pumpkin spice.
Fried green tomato. Oh, is that? Oh no, man, I thought that was a corn dog. For some reason, I want a corn dog, y'all. They do have hot dogs.
Closest you're gonna get is that right there. Heading into the Belk, everyone.
The Belk. I found you a Christmas sweater.
Well, what do you know?
I know why this place is called Belt.
Why?
Because there's a lot of belts.
Got the wrong last letter there.
See? There's
Yeah.
a belt right there.
I see, belts. That looks good. The Max.
Try them on.
Here, if anybody needs one of these. You need one of these?
That's pretty. $14.99. That's not bad.
That ain't bad.
How much is that peppermint dust?
Peppermint dust is $6.99,
Okay.
which ain't bad.
It's not bad, but
That
you
ain't
can
bad.
get a $1 box of candy canes and crush them up yourself. Put them in a jar.
You got some dust in.
Yeah.
One watermelon, one grape, one orange, one strawberry, one lime. I mean, lemon.
Sparkly, gingerbready. Decorate
And you can
straws.
decorate.
Your straw charms.
Folks, I
let me
never
guess
thought
the
the
price.
world would come to
I'm
it.
gonna say $8.99.
I was too, baby. I'm saying $8.90.
$7.99.
$7.99.
Man. Look, Daddy, does this bring back memories to you? Right here.
Yes, it does. I tried that pancake thing, and it just,
It
I
was-
did it every way you could try it, and it just, for me, it haunted my Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In olive.
Yeah, but they put olives on it. I guess people are scared of sardines and they don't want to show them
Right.
the
They don't want
pictures.
you don't want to see the sardines, just see the olives. Rudolph is here. Hey, Rudolph. Woodland pine. That's cute.
Let's see what that's like. Just like a Christmas tree right there.
I'm guessing something about peppermint. Cinnamon Noel.
Smells Christmassy. This is fresh pine right here. I like that smell right there.
Gingerbread cookies.
Smell it, Daddy.
Got a good smell.
You want to get it?
Spiced gingerbread. Yeah.
This one's Christmas spirit now.
That's not giving me the Christmas spirit. It's giving me pine sol.
It ain't taking the Christmas spirit from me.
You like this one better.
Okay, well let me smell it. Smells pretty good.
Okay. Jingle all the way. And a one-horse open sleigh.
I don't know about that one.
This one I feel like will not let us down. Cookies for Santa. I mean, it can't.
Let me get in there. I'm gonna get in there and y'all put the top back on this thing.
Merry Christmas right here. It's okay.
What is this smell?
My holiday wreath. Toilet spritz in holiday retreat. Let's just see.
There's nothing like that now. You go, yeah, keep them happy. You know what I'm saying?
Shake it up. Mist 4 to 6 spritz into the toilet water. Sit on the throne.
Sit on the throne. Okie dokie. I would say sit on the sleigh. You know what I mean? That way
Take it to the
everybody-
church.
That way everybody stays happy.
Right. Like him.
I've been told I slice sausage better than Fallon.
Yeah.
I've been asked to do it this morning because I do it better.
We're having a biscuit buffet this morning. I already made the biscuits. I'll link that video down below if y'all missed it. So I already made the bacon. Now I'm just gonna make some sausage. When this is done, we'll make some gravy. Then we're gonna do some scrambled eggs over here. I've got butter, jelly. And then we'll have sausage, gravy, bacon, eggs, cheese. I love biscuit buffet mornings, especially when I already have the biscuits done. Now, you know, most of the time we just do whatever biscuits I make if I make biscuits, but it's fun on the weekend mornings to have a little biscuit buffet. Right now, we need some coffee. I used hazelnut creamer. I'm going to put just a little pumpkin pie spice on top. It's really good.